In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your storefront footer text fast and easy. This guide is perfect for those who want to customize their website's footer without getting lost in the technicalities. By following these steps, you'll have a personalized footer in no time, enhancing both the look and feel of your site. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Think of the dashboard as your site's command center. From here, you can access all the important tools and features needed to manage your website. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Appearance tab on the left-hand side menu. Clicking here will open up various options related to your site's visual aspects. With a myriad of customization possibilities, this is where you can really start making your site your own. Next, it's time to click on Customize. This is your gateway to making specific alterations to the theme of your website. The Customizer is a wonderful tool because it offers you a live preview of changes before they go live, ensuring that everything looks just right. Now, to focus specifically on the footer, find and click on the Footer section in the Customizer. This section controls the content in the lower portion of your website. It's often home to important information like contact details or social media links. Within the footer editing tools, look for the option to edit the footer credits text. This is where you'll make changes to what appears at the very bottom of each page. Feel free to personalize the text to suit your needs, whether it's adding a custom message, updating company information, or any content you wish your visitors to see. Moreover, while you're in the editor, take this opportunity to explore the color customization options. You can change the background color to match your brand's palette more closely. Consistency in color can make a big impact on user experience and brand recognition. Similarly, be sure to look at the heading, text, and link color options as well. Adjusting these colors can help create a cohesive aesthetic across your site, drawing attention to important areas and making text easier to read. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, it's time to make them live by clicking on Publish. This final step ensures that all your hard work becomes visible to visitors on your site. It's always a good idea to preview your changes before publishing to ensure everything looks exactly how you want it. And just like that, you've successfully customized your storefront's footer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you create a more personalized and effective website footer. Don't forget to check out more of our guides for additional tips and tricks.